Welcome to this gratitude visualization exercise. My name is Natalie Ledwell and I'm the co-founder of the My Movies movement. I've helped over 10 million people manifest their dreams. Now in a few moments, I'm going to walk you through some very powerful statements that are going to raise your vibration so much that you'll become a magnet for miracles. So be open to receive the overflow of abundance that's on its way into your life. Now we'll spend these next couple of minutes quietening the mind and clearing your mind of thoughts and cleansing the mental palette so that you're open and ready to receive today's powerful affirmation statements. So I'd like to get you into a very comfortable position. Make sure that your feet are flat on the floor. Have your hands facing up on your lap. Just relax. And when you're ready, slowly close your eyes. And taking a nice deep breath in, just breathing in and breathing out. Again, breathing in and breathing out. And as you're breathing out, really feeling your whole body relaxing. One more time, breathing in and breathing out. Totally relaxed. Allow yourself to be free of thought and free of your to-do list. This little space of time right here is dedicated to you and your abundance. So if any thoughts come up for you, just allow them to float away as if they're clouds in the sky. Don't resist them. Don't fight them. Just let them happen. Watch them drift away as you return to a sense of stillness, quietness, and receptivity to embody the principles we'll explore today. Feeling totally relaxed and listening to the music. Just be here in the present moment, open and relaxed. Now these powerful affirmations will rewire your brain for abundance. As I say each affirmation, repeat them back to yourself in your mind. And as you repeat them in your mind, say them with as much emotion and sense of knowing that is indeed the truth of who you are. Let's begin. I am so grateful for all that I have. My life has been blessed with a wealth of experiences. I love and appreciate all of the events of my past. I am proud of the person I am right now. I am proud of the person I am becoming right now. I live an amazing life. I am already wealthy and rich right now. My life is overflowing with abundance. I am excited by the prosperity seeds I am planting right now. My mind, body, and soul are wired for success and abundance. I am grateful for all that I have, and I'm ready for more. I am excited about the amazing potential the future holds. I am grateful for all of my talents and gifts. I am grateful for the amazing people in my life. I am grateful for nature, sunshine, and the air that I breathe. I am thankful for the money that flows into my life. I am thankful for the money I circulate back into the world. I am grateful for the value I create in the world. I am grateful for the good I do in the world. I fully embrace the abundance that flows into my life. I live an amazing life. I am already wealthy and rich right now. My life is overflowing with abundance right now. I am abundant. I am prosperous. I am wealthy beyond measure. I am so grateful for all that I have right now. Remember this. This is so important, because even though you want and desire more wealth, more money, more abundance in your life, it's crucial that you appreciate and are thankful for everything that you have in your life at this moment. Completely embracing, accepting, and loving exactly where you are right now will lay the foundation for more to flow into your life. Now imagine and visualize how you will move through this day, fully embracing this magnitude of gratitude. How will you feel as you move through your day with this principle? How will you walk? How will you talk? What will you say to others? How will you express your gratitude and appreciation? Visualize what you will do today when you are truly living this principle of gratitude. Now become it. Remember, you are abundance. Now taking a deep breath in, just breathing in and breathing out. Again, breathing in, breathing out. Last time, breathing in. And as you're breathing out, wiggling your fingers and your toes, becoming aware of the room that you're in. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes.